Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 GMC Acadia all-wheel drive Denali. You might be wondering, wait, a 2019? And I'm filming this July of 2020. That is right. Last month we got a shipment of 3 2019 Acadia Denalis. And this is the last 2019 left. With everything going on right now, we took what we could get and what the plant would send us, and this is one of them. A leftover 2019 and possibly one of the last Acadias made of this generation before the redesign, or the refresh I should say. So it's actually a pretty unique find, especially seeing how this is the last one on our lot. Dark sky metallic, absolutely beautiful color. Cocoa and shale interior. Made it to the 6-speed automatic and the 3.6 V6. Total price of $51,785, and it is worth every single penny of that. Just look at this interior. Man. I mean, leather is super soft and supple. I mean, I have no idea how this never sold. Interior is extremely similar to the current gen Acadia that was refreshed for 2020. All this leather up on top of the dashboard has nice soft touches. Love this light wood grain. Really nice car. Foot on the brake. Down into drive. Let's hit the road. It's amazing how nice the Acadia is to drive. Of course, it shares the platform with the Chevrolet Traverse. And I'm a huge fan of the Traverse. So it's only natural that I'll like the platform that this is on. Personally, I like this design better than the 2020. It's a little bit more rounded, a little bit more luxurious. I'm just a big fan of this car. Radar cruise control, forward collision avoidance, all of the features that you would need in your SUV, it has. I mean, this thing has 23 miles on it. So, I mean, this is about as brand new as you're gonna get. plenty of pep. Not wanting more power. 3.6 sounds great. You do have manual shifting ability when you put the transmission in low. Man, every time I drive one of these, it always amazes me how great they sound and how good it drives. This is definitely one of my favorite SUVs on there, and I think, I'm sorry, I was very mistaken. This does not share the platform with the Traverse. Well, it might, but it definitely shares the same as the Blazer. Corners well, no complaints at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this pretty special video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.